My fifth question. See, in rectification of errors, if you read the question properly, it is almost done. So let's read it with a full concentration. Goods returned from Sonam, rupees 2000, not recorded. Now the word not recorded is very important here. If something is not recorded in the books at all, what is the solution to the problem? The solution to the problem is only one: record it now. If any entry has been passed regarding this which is wrong, then I need to rectify it. If the entry is not recorded only, what will I rectify? I will just record it now, and that is only the solution. So goods returned from Sonam 2000. So when sales have a credit balance, we all know that sales return have a debit balance. So sales return account debit 2000, sales return account debit 2000 to Sonam. Sonam, who was earlier my debtor, had a debit balance. When she returned the goods, she no longer needs to pay. So I need to credit Sonam's account, lessing debtors by the amount of the sales return. So whenever you find not recorded in books, don't try to apply the rule of right, wrong, reverse and rectified, because it is not at all recorded. Nothing wrong has been done, just that it is not omitted to be recorded. So just record it now, and that is only your solution. Moving on to the sixth question. Credit sales to Arun rupees 5000 was recorded in purchase book. So the problem is it is sales and it is being recorded as purchase. So when there is a problem, some wrong entry is done. So what I will do, write wrong, reverse and rectified entry. These are my 4 small steps that I need to follow. Credit sales to Arun. The entry will be Arun, account debit 5000 to sales. Sales needs to be always credited. We know that by now. Okay. What is the wrong entry which is done? It is recorded in purchase book. So what entry I must have done? Recorded in purchase. So purchase account debit to Arun. Now I need to reverse it. Arun account debit to purchase account. Okay, the amount is 5000. For rectified entry, I will compare the right and the reverse entry. And what can I cancel here? I'm afraid there is nothing to cancel because Arun in debit, there is no Arun in credit. Okay, sales in credit, there is no sales in debit, but I have 2 Aruns at the debit side. So simply just pay attention here now. Arun by 5000 in debit and Arun by 5000 in debit. So Arun should be debited by 5000 plus 5000, 10,000. Arun account debit, this 5 plus this 5, 10,000. Now what has to be credited? Sales remains here credited to sales by 5000, and here to purchase, $5,000. So this is my sixth entry. I will just recap it. A new type of entry. Credit sales to Arun rupees 5,000 was recorded in purchase book. So first of all, the right entry would have been Arun account debit to sales account, but I had put it in purchase book. So my entry done is purchase account debit to Arun's account. Now I need to reverse it. Arun account debit to purchase. Now I have to see this with this, the right with the reversed entry, and there is nothing to cancel, but I have Arun here as debit and here as debit, so I will debit it by the total. Arun account debit 10,000, 2 sales 5,000 and 2 purchases 5,000. This is my rectified entry.